Hello crafters and Merry Christmas. In today's video we're going to be doing how I decorate my mantle, and obviously this is the Christmas edition. I already have a strand of C9 bulbs which were bought for me and they came from Tiger. That's a chain of stores over here in the UK. They were £10 and they're a lovely size. And they are battery operated. They don't come with a timer, but you do have the on and off switch. My mantle is going to be quite simple, and it's going to be quite different to my autumn mantle. I will link that video so it pops out now, where I had triangles on each side, a triangle in the middle, triangle at this end. We're going to be working on very symmetric kind of decorating. The first thing I'm going to do is put my centre item in. Now, I'm going to say something that could be construed as quite controversial now. And I have never really been a fan of nutcrackers until this year. And I fell in love with this little dude. And I think he's absolutely lovely. And I've really gotten into them. I bought a rather large one, which is 2 foot, from TK Maxx. I bought some miniature ones to go on the tree. So I really like this dude. I really like nutcrackers. So I've been converted, so to speak. Right, so next thing is these. Now this nutcracker is from Poundland. It's not a pound because they now do things that are more than a pound. So it isn't a pound. These battery operated light gifts are also from Poundland, so I'm going to put those in, and I'm going to do it so they are facing like that, so they face outwards. And then the next thing I'm going to use these tea boxes as risers. Now they are just some decorative boxes that I have that come out depending on my theme, and I'm going to put my elves on top of them. Now these elves you can get from eBay as well as other stores, but what I did, I glued these lights. They no longer work because I've cut them, but I glued these into his hands so it looks like he was decorating. So I'm going to put him there, and this is the other colour you can get, the green, and then this one I glued in a wreath, and I'm going to put that one there. So it basically mirrors. And then on each end I'm going to have candlesticks, or should I say candle stands, and on this end I'm going to put this tree, and this tree is made using the foil bows similar to the wreath. I will link the video of the wreath I made so it pops out now. And on this end we're going to have this kind of woodland tree, because I don't have another one of those, so I've got to make another one. So this is just to take the place temporarily. On the centerpiece here I'm going to be, I'm forgetting something very crucial, crafters. You need to come over. Before I get to there, I need to put my gold candle stands in. I thought I was missing something. My gold candle stands, and then my red plaid glass hurricane lamps, and these are from Yankee Candle. Completely forgot I had to put those in. So on top of these here I am going to have 2 of the glittered C9 bulbs that I did over on Create at Home with Elf Creations. I will link the video so that pops out now. And then one of these little elves that I got from Poundland last year. I haven't seen them in the stores this year, so this is last year's stock, and they kind of shelf sitted, so I'm going to pop you on there. And then using some bits and pieces for my stash. This is from a pick from Poundland, and this is also from a pick from Poundland, but these picks I've had in my stash. I just wired them all together, and these I'm going to add sporadically through the display, and I will fan them out so they cover things, and they come from behind, just to, instead of having a garland, I just want to give it the impression that there's a garland, and I'm going to bend it so it fits around things. If you have to move things out of the way, then do that. Just so they fit in. And try that a different way. There we go. So just putting them in so they poke out from behind things, just to give the display some extra depth. And I'm going to put this one just behind my little nutcracker, just to give the display some depth. So pop that on, and then I've got a few of these left over, so I shall just place these at the bottom, relevant to this display here. And then on the fireplace here, I was lucky enough to get this in January from eBay a few years ago. Now that's a top tip. I'm going to give this information to you because I think a lot of people forget. Go to eBay after Christmas. You'll find that a lot of people have decided to get rid of things, you know, purge after the Christmas season. And I got this, and it's a huge piece, very well built, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I got him for £8 on eBay from a seller who was just getting rid of some items. And the attention to detail in this particular item, this particular figurine, is just gorgeous. So he's going to sit there. And then I have a miniature tree, because obviously he needs to have a tree, and a few little parcels to put under the tree. And that, crafters, is how I have decorated my mantle and fire for this Christmas season. I hope you find this beneficial in some way. I will do another one for spring / Easter. But I get a lot of great comments. I get a lot of great messages from people saying that how this helps you. I'm always getting comments on the way I decorate, so I'm happy to bring these things to you. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you again very soon.